You thought it was dead, but the Nintendo Wii U lives on. Following an update that initially was just for European regions, the update is also supposedly to be made available in North America and Japan, according to patch notes. However, currently, Nintendo of America's site does not note any new firmware revisions, nor do we know if the update will actually come to non-EU systems. At this point, we have no idea what 5.5.4 changes, besides standard stability. The last time we saw an update for the Wii U was all the way back in September 2018, for version 5.5.3, which was yet another stability update. If you still value using your Wii U, you might want to wait on updating, to see what this changes in terms of homebrew. Version number, 5.5.4. Release date, June 24, 2019, North America, / June 25, 2019, Europe, Japan. Regions, Europe / North America / Japan. Further improvements to overall system stability and other minor adjustments have been made to enhance the user experience. The following titles were updated: version data, and Wii U menu.